Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the new chapter or one of the plays from our textbook, and this is the last lesson, that is Proposal, a one-act play written by Anton Chekhov, a Russian writer. It's a very interesting play. It comprises only few characters. So before going to the characters, let's discuss about the author, about the playwright of this play, The Proposal. Now, if we talk about the author, then Anton Chekhov, he was a great playwright, born on 29th of January 1860. This is the birth, 1860, in a village in southern Russia. It means this play Proposal and the playwright belongs to Russia. So that's why name we can understand, Anton Chekhov, Russian name. And he was also established as a physician, plus considered to be the great short story writer in the world. Short story writer. He has written short stories. Once Chekhov said, what did he say? Medicine is my lawful wife and literature is my mistress. Who said? The writer. It means we can say that he was fond of his profession, that medicine, plus fond of literature. Medicine is my lawful wife, he said, and literature is my mistress. Now, after this short description of the author, now let's move to the introduction of this play. It is a one-act play. Introduction. It is a one-act play, begins with a young man. It is given, plus this play is also another name is given. Actual title, that is original title, A Marriage Proposal is the original title. It is a one-act play, a farce. Farce means humor or comedy. A farce by the Russian story writer and dramatist Anton Chekhov. And the play was written in 1888 to 1889. So this is about the play. So when we talk about introduction, it is a one-act play, begins with a young man. What is the name of that young man? Ivan, here, Lomo. In short, we can say Lomo is the name of that young man. Lomo presenting a marriage proposal. He comes to the home of another character, that is Stepan Chubuko. This is the character. Lomo, he comes to his home for what? With a marriage proposal to his daughter. Whose daughter? Chubuko's daughter, for the marriage proposal. And now later on, before he could express his love, what happened? It to her, it means to Natalia, but before that what happened? They entered into an argument. Because these three characters, such characters, they quarrelsome character. They used to quarrel or fight over some petty issues, small issues. That all the three characters, Stefan, Chubuko, Natalia and Lomo, all the three characters, small issues that they start quarreling or fighting. Next, internal arguments about Oxen Meadows, and their topic was why they start arguments on Oxen Meadows. Whose Oxen Meadows? One said, Lomo says Oxen Meadows are mine, and Natalia says no, not yours. Oxen Meadows are ours. It means Chubuko and Natalia. So only that was the problem. In the midst of the play, what happened? The proposal gets forgotten by everybody, because at the beginning of this play, Natalia, the daughter of this Chubuko, that she was unaware about about Lomo's proposal, that she was about to propose her. She was unaware. So in the midst of the play, the proposal gets forgotten until Lomo falls off due to his palpitations. Palpitations means it's a kind of a disease where the heart beating starts. It is not regular heart beating. So he was suffering through that palpitations. Who? Lomo. Proposal is made finally after a lot of quarrel or things. Characters. So now total 3 characters. One is Stefan Chubuko, the main character or father of Nathalia, and he is a landowner plus father of Nathalia or young girl. Nathalia, a young girl in her 25 years old, young girl. Her character is fussy plus argumentative. She used to argument over the PG issues, small issues. Next character, Ivan Lomo. This Lomo, he is a young man and plus neighbor of Chubuko or Nathalia. Young man wishes to marry Nathalia, and plus this character is also argumentative. That they start doing the arguments over the small things, petty issues. So this is about the introduction about the author, Anton Chekhov, Russian author, playwright, one-act play. This is one-act play, and he is fond of literature, so that's why he made this statement: medicine is my lawful wife and literature is my mistress. Now talking about the introduction, this is one-act play, a kind of a farce. F-A-R-C, farce means comedy, humor. Next coming 3 characters. First one is Chubuko, second one is his daughter Nathalia, and last character Lomo. Lomo, he is the neighbor of Chubuko and Nathalia. Clear? And he came to his house, or he has come to Chubuko's house to propose his daughter. So this is about the introduction. So the real actual play or the content we will start from the next video module. Thank you, students.